Hello, everybody. The title of this book is He Bear, She Bear. I see her, she sees me. We see that we are he and she. Every single bear we see is a he bear or a she. Every single bear we see has lots of things to do and be. I'm a father. I'm a he. A father's something you could be. I'm a mother. I'm a she. A mother's something you could be. Dad's a he. Mom's a she. There are things that we could be just because we're he and she. But there are other things to be. Come on, he bear, follow me. We could fix a clock, paint a door. See, fix a clock, paint a door. Build a house, have a store. See, I'm building a house, and you see the store. Drive a dump truck, drive a crane, bulldoze roads, drive a train. See the dump truck, and there's the crane. Bulldoze roads, drive a train. We fix clocks, we paint doors, we build houses, we have stores, we bulldoze roads, we drive cranes, we drive trucks, we drive trains. We can do all these things, you see, whether we are he or she. We climb ladders to fix the wires. We climb ladders to put out fires. That's Officer Marguerite. She tells us when to cross the street. See, there's Officer Marguerite. They're putting out a fire. So you can be a fireman, a police officer. You see that? You can fix the wires. You can be an electrician. Whether you are he or she, a boy or a girl, you can do it if that's what you want to do. You could be a doctor, make folks well, teach kids how to add and spell, knit a sock, sew a dress, paint a picture. What a mess. Whether you're he or she, a boy or girl, you can do these things if you choose to. You could lead a band, sing a song, play a tuba, beat a gong, play a banjo, plink a plink. You could even play on a kitchen sink. We have stores, we fix clocks. We are officers, we knit socks. We teach kids how to add and spell. We drive, we build, we make folks well. We climb ladders, we sew dresses. We make music, we make messes. We can do all these things, you see, whether we are he or she. What will we do, you and I? I'll tell you what I'm going to try. I may build bridges. I may climb poles. I may race cars. I may dig holes. I could be a magician. I could go on TV. I could study the fish who live in the sea. I'll be a cowboy. I'll go to the moon. I'll feed a whale. I'll train a baboon. We'll fly a giant jumbo jet. We'll build the tallest building yet. We will jump on a trampoline. We'll do tricks that have never been seen. We'll tame 12 tigers and 26 fleas. We'll do a dance on a flying trapeze. We'll jump and dig and build and fly. There's nothing that we cannot try. We can do all these things, you see, whether we are he or she. So many things to be and do. He bear, she bear, me and you. The end. And the title of this book is He Bear, She Bear. Bye for now.